छाया आसमान देखो झूमता गगन है छाया आसमान देखो झूमता गगन
Chocolate and 5-star chocolate. You can take any chocolate at this point. Basically, guys, we have used butter over here to make our dough. Now we're gonna give it our pine cone shape. This is not an exact pine cone, it's just like a rough structure, and we're going to be putting chalk holes in it to make it pine coney. And we are going to be mixing a puffed rice in this.
Little bit
And we're going to crunch it a little bit while putting it.
roasted in microwave.
And this is already roasted in microwave, so
And you want gas also.
you can use Rice Krispies also.
gas पे भी कर सकते
You can do it in gas also. And I made this cone out of butter paper and put a little bit of oil inside and sticked it with tape. All the time I'm mixing our chocolate. Put a little bit of food coloring into a green color over here because of a Christmas tree. And if you guys are lazy, you could also buy green chocolate milk. We have mixed it and we have got our light green color. As you can see, it's mind blowing. And
You want dark
if you want dark green, you can make dark green out of this. Putting our mixture into
cone.
the cone we made out of butter paper. And before making the cone, we put a coat of what happened? See, okay. So we did greasing before we put in our mixture. We're done putting our mixture into the cone, and now we're gonna let it set in our fridge or freezer. Yes, if you have to just shake it like this. And if a hard rocky sound comes, that means it is ready. So, now we're gonna take it out. First it out. I'm really excited to see the outcome. Also a little scared. Cross cut. Yes, oh my god, yay! It's a success. It's a success. Guys, I kept a few toffees and now I'm gonna put my tree on top of it.
और भी डाल दीजिए chocolate.
So we're gonna put a little more chocolate. My mom thought that we should add a little more toffee. So over here, I use maximum of 9 toffees. Maximum of 9 toffees, and well, I like the outcome. That is cool. Now we are using icing to stick on our gems.
And green color.
And it's green color, so it's not being too much. We tried making a star shape out of chocolate. You can also buy it from the market, but we weren't able to, so that's why. And we're putting on some silver sprinkles on top. We're gonna be here to give it a snow effect.